Hey everyone, so welcome to day 10 and 9 of the Simply Gilded 12 Days of Christmas. So I'm going to open up day 10 first, and as usual, I'm actually going to kill the bunny. So day 10 are 5mm washi rolls. So these, it's a 3-pack, all in gold foil. So this is in like a sage, a ballet pink, and a white color, all with gold foil, which is actually really pretty. And then we have day 9. So day 9 is actually a Galaxy Sky Roll, aqua and navy tones, and it also has hollow foil, which is actually really pretty because of these tones. I actually really love aquas and navies together. So that is what day 9 is. So this is day 10 and 9 of the Simply Gilded box, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing.